Okay, I got this adding calculator here. Dalton adding calculating machine. So we got it to work. So pull the handle, you get 12. Because that's what I entered, 12. Got 12. One more time to clear it. Go it up. And that's 24 for you right there. So yeah, give me numbers that you want me to add or multiply. Subtract doesn't really work, but yeah, so give me numbers to add and multiply. Yeah, of course, 34 plus 35. Clear it one more time. Equals. Numbers right there. Should stamp down. And it's not showing up on the paper, but I know I got it right because 34 and 35. Clear it once. Equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. So yeah, thanks for the comment, and give me some numbers. I don't know if I want to pull this handle 69 times, but I will do 420 times 9. So 420 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and take multiply take multiply off. Do it one more time. One more to clear it. Push the equals. And there's your answer right there. So that would be 378. Oh, there you go. I don't know if I want to do 3 times 23, but it will do 23 times 3. So multiply 23, 1, 2, multiply off, 3, one more to clear it, push that up, and we got the funny meme number, 69. 21 times 9, 21, multiply, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, multiply off, 9, one more to clear it, push the total button, and there you go, 189. And it does print it out. I can't divide, but I can multiply 22 times 7. So 22 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, multiply off, 7, one more to clear it, fix that. And there you go, 154. 2,511,058. Yeah, I can do that. 2,511,058. Multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Multiply off, 9, one more to clear it, and there's your total, 22,599,522. 84 times 5, 84, multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4, multiply off. 5, one more to clear it. And there you go, 420. Who do I read the numbers? That's a great question. If I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's not enough room for 9. I go like this, kind of makes a staircase. So the height is the number. And just remember, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the one down there, way at the bottom, kind of stamps out if you're doing subtract, total, subtotal, non-add, or something else like that. But now if I do 99, go up, see they're super tall. But if I only do 11, see they're super short. And if I total it, say it one more time, total it, there you go. There's your answer. I can multiply 2 times 2, so 2 multiply 1, take multiply off, 2, one more to clear it, total, and there you go. You got 4. 1 times 1, probably the easiest one I've done all day. 1 multiply 1, take multiply off, use a little handle here to clear the stack. One more to clear it, total, there's your total, 1. A little bit longer one, but I'll still do it. So 9 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, take multiply off, 6, now it automatically turns to add mode, so plus 6, plus 9. One more to clear it, and there you go, 69. 10 times 13, so 13 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, multiply off, 10, one more to clear it, total, and there you go, 130.